Kapunjani bafethu, yazi ukukhuluma iqiniso, I think i-Sundowns need to take this as a positive draw. Bafethu, i-Richards Bay iyayazi into eyenzayo, especially when they play at home. Bafethu, that defensive low block was so solid from Richards Bay. Sundowns, I think noma kube kudlalwe 120 minutes, Sundowns were not going to get a goal in that game. Richards Bay, they are so solid at home bafethu, like bayazazi ukuthi wosemhlathuze siyazi ukuthi senzani. Bafethu, even in Richards Bay, to be quite honest, I think they should have won this game. The opportunity told Usanele Barnes in the second half, I think he should have buried that. Sundowns should have lost this game, if we're quite being honest. But in Richards Bay, bafethu, bafana salute bafethu. I think I always say teams need to take advantage of their home games. That is exactly what in Richards Bay they are doing. Bafethu, they are so solid, bafethu. Like, give them their credit. I think Sundowns need to try again against the Polokwane City on Wednesday, which is another tough game because the Polokwane City have taken the game to Seshego. They know what they want to suffocate the Sundowns. Probably they can get something out of it. But today, I'm afraid to salute to Richards Bay. What a performance. Danko.
Kahle lapha emhlathuze kwenzakalani kanti?
Yakuminye le.
Hayi khona. Hayi kabi mina isiqala ukunginyanyisa nje indaba semhlathuze. Na abantu baphazamisa amaplani. Baphazamisa amaplani labantu. ISundowns bekufuna ifike lapha ithatha 3 points ihlale phezulu eligini. Bavinjiwe phela abantu. Bavinjiwe abantu. ISundowns ifika lapha yenza intando yayo. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense. Ngitshele mina. Isiqala ukuba indida ke manje indaba semhlathuze. Isiqala ukuba indida nje.
Mhlathuze ekhaya elikhulu. Sonke safika emhlathuze safike saguqa. Ngithi mina Mhlathuze. Mhlathuze. Sukaneni madoda. Ekhaya elikhulu. Ufike ekhaya elikhulu ufika ngenhlonipho. Akekho ngasi. Mhlathuze. Bakithi. Uyazi ukuthi negama ukuthi kuyahlathuzwana lapha. Awunolunga sana lwami. Jeni yenye yazama enye ithi zama not.
Oh, Sundowns isiwenzile umsebenzi. Siwethi oDuba bawenzile umsebenzi. Opule Modi bawenzile umsebenzi. Brendan Peterson bawenzile umsebenzi. Onemtenjela bebeze beqhwiza nabodwa silwela nina. Nenzani nina? Nenzani emhlathuze Sundowns? Ukulwa okungaka silwana nale mob justice. Ukuthi siyibambe nje ingawufumana u3 points senzela nina. Nenzani nina emhlathuze? Yinomsimango belwa kangaka. Yazi nangicika Sundowns. Yazi nangicika Sundowns. Sizonishaya futhi nina senibonile.
Kodwa Barnes. Wayibulale iOrlando Pirates. Yabona nje esigodini bekhala ngoBarnes ukuthuka uBarnes. Ama-chances amangaka ndodo watholile. Kodwa ke full time score Mamelodi Sundowns 0, iRichards Bay 0. Yabona bese lo coach eRichards Bay uthi ukushayela izandla. Yabona la emhlathuze awubuya uphile. Ubuya uphile emhlathuze. Yabona nje mfethu, yabona nje le fan base le Richards Bay lapha emhlathuze. Hayi baby serious. I-serious mele i-studish. Yabona iSundowns but even approach right. Uyona nje ukuthi iRichards Bay if ungayi-studisha ngeRichards Bay uzoba senkingini. Azoba senkingini. Yabona bathi lo block la bese bayishayayo. Mase beqashwa nge-counter attack enjani? Unexpected. Yabona i-counter attack yabo mfethu ibidani ivuke nje isubini. Yabona mfethu uBarnes nalo amjitha uba uGumede ngicatha uGumede. Lawa mfethu ama-chances ababe nawo mfethu i-throw ama-counter attack ababulele iSundowns. iRichards Bay be more threatening kuni-Sundowns. Sundowns yebo batholile amathuba. Angibadleli umona batholela ama-chances bebengayipanisha na-Richards Bay. Kodwa mina ngithi amathuba atholwe iBay eyabebonakala mfethu. Khona nje la uBarnes avele kodwa Barnes. Nani-ke kodwa Sundowns sesinenzela umsebenzi ongaka. Hayi Sundowns. Nina kodwa ithathe race isaqhubeka. Isamnandi manje. Sundowns ingezansi, Pirates sangenhla. Asazi. Sundowns isele ngegame eyi-1. Hayi.
Aibo. Sundowns, if you don't want to win the league, just say so. If you want to focus on the CAF Champions League, just say so. After we did you guys a favor. We literally did you guys a favor. Sharp, we didn't win, but a draw is still very crucial because we took 2 points away from Pirates. You thank us by drawing against Richards Bay. 2 back-to-back draws now from Sundowns. Guys, if you don't want to win the league, just say so, Yazin. Just say so. What is this result? This is not what we want. This is not what we want. You came at us thanking us for that draw against Orlando Pirates, and then you do this. For what good reason? What good reason?
Hey, yazi useless nasi team ekuthiwa Sundowns. Yazi useless. Idlala udoti, idlala into engekho. Uyabona lo nyaka lo bekunyaka wePirates ngempela ukuthi ithathe league. Uyabona ubuyiwinile kwiSoweto Derby, iPirates ibisithathe league. Bisuyi full control ye league. Chiefs leyo. Iniki Pirates draw. Kahle kahle ispoile iparty Orlando Pirates. Otherwise Pirates bemele ithathe league. Mina ngiyazi edlala Sundowns manje. 2 draws in a row. And because khona convince coach keep abo Reiners ufabo Motiba. Awu understand indavu nje. Come on bafowethu. Bekunyaka lo Sundowns bemele ilahle ngempela league. Yabo? Washo khona ukuthi vele idlala nePirates. iPirates ayina ndaba no number 1. iPirates ihlezi ifuna number 2. Hawu. Yini vele le? Noma akusamhlathuze akuyo buyayo.
It is official. Richards Bay has stopped the #1 football club in Africa right now. For WC7. But then I have 2 worries. 1, the fans. 2, Motiba. The fans make it make sense. Sundowns could not get the maximum points, and you are throwing stones at your own team. This is not the way to go, guys. You have to support to the end. Mind you, you have a club. Many people are envious of you having a club that is #1 in Africa just because of you could not win Richards Bay, and you are throwing stones. This is not the time. This is the business end of the season. And then to Motiba, the chances, you have been given the chances. So I want to play. You need to rediscover yourself. You need to do better. Tough times, I understand. But then these are the moments that you are supposed to embrace and grab. Unfortunately, not a good day for you. At the end of the day, more games are coming. Polokwane next. Polokwane another next. Omo, good joke.
Now, as far as I know, how brutal football can be. Worst case scenario is Sundowns ending up not winning anything this season. From the 2 trophies that they are looking at, the worst case scenario is them not winning any of them. The CAF Champions League and the league. And as it stands, if you think that Mamelodi Sundowns are the favorites to win the league over Orlando Pirates, you are living in a dream. And let me tell you, you must wake up. They do have a game in hand. But now, it's 2 consecutive draws. 1 at home, 1 away. It was not that difficult in that away game, mind you. Richards Bay were not that defensive. They were just good defensively. They didn't do a low block. From the game I was watching, Pirates drew on the other side. They were playing a more difficult game, more like playing an away game against an opponent at the magnitude of Kaizer Chiefs that is sitting at number 3, right? So you cannot compare the 2 draws. Goal difference, Pirates have massive advantage that cannot be overturned by the current Mamelodi Sundowns that I'm watching. So if you think Mamelodi Sundowns has the advantage just because of that game in hand, think again. From what you've been seeing from them, from what they've been displaying, listen, they tried their best even in this game. But from what you've been seeing from them, what gives you confidence that they are winning the game in hand? What gives you confidence that they are winning both legs in the CAF Champions League? Worst case scenario is them going trophyless this season.
I wanna fit right now.
one of the things ezingenza ukuthi ngibe happy is seeing uMori mfethu, this like lo mtshito wokugcina lo enje. I like seeing him kanje lo mtshito because this guy, if the channel yabuka did know ukuthi this guy mfethu uhlezi iphuma eceleni, uhlezi mfethu ephuma angazi mfethu uzenzala ngalo mtshito, because even when iSundowns drew against Stellenbosch, khona intombazana lapha ku-TikTok kumele video about coach we-Sundowns walking away in the middle of interview ne. Then uMori made a video athi uKhadoso vele mfethu une-right ukuthi ayide ayenze because une-league, unama-final Champions League, so une-right ukuthi ebhive ngaleyo ndlela. I was like, kanjani mfethu? Ngize nga-comment, I'm like mfethu, just because mfethu unama-achievements lawo wabalayo, lokho mfethu kumnikeza i-right ukuthi abe rude towards abanye abantu if ama-results don't go his way. And responded out, it's show vele you deserve. I'm like, okay, I'll tag, okay, Brian, if that's how you feel, okay. But mbone nje mfethu yangijabulisa, and I so wish mfethu kube sawina namhlanje mfethu, because if we won namhlanje mfethu, bese ku-Stellenbosch sine confidence ukuthi vele league sesithathile dog, because buka phela iSundowns iqeda draw, because if you won against the Chiefs namhlanje ngabe sithathile league mfethu, it's a wrap. Because i-team enzima manje thina mfethu eselembe Stellenbosch, and we can beat them even though mfethu bacoach Kevin Hunt nabo nje mfethu bayi-team entswe mfethu, they recently just drawed against iSundowns. We can still beat them dog with the confidence ukuthi league sesithathile vele eyethu. We just keep making things hard for ourselves mfethu, and at this point iSundowns is doing the same thing now. They're making things hard for themselves because they no business whatever drawing with Stellenbosch and drawing with Richards Bay. iSundowns le ngiyaziyo mina mfethu ayiwenzi lokho, 2 draws in a row. 2 draws in a row, bruh. That's not the Sundowns I know. And that's why I'll always say I don't rate Cardoso as a good coach. Urulani, they wanna Sundowns are Rulani, bruh. It was peak Sundowns. It was peak Sundowns. That was like, yo, even when I bet as if any Pirates if it's hotana to book Sundowns, because like babedlala kamnandi. But right now, angibuyi game Sundowns because ayabhora amagame akhona, bruh. Yeah, bayawina but amagame akhona ayabhora. Game engibuka mfethu eKF nakhona ngiyaminca ukuthi bedliwe yabo, but ngibe iSundowns bethi iyabhora manje dog. So that's why ngisho ukuthi ileague thina besithise because indlela esidlala ngayo, the goals, players like uBurila boPolice mfethu they deserve league mfethu, they deserve league mfethu. Okay, ucoach ke uWard may not deserve league because mfethu sometimes mfethu ama decision awathathayo mfethu are questionable, but players like uBurila naboPolice mfethu they deserve their league mfethu, especially this season. Wow, we deserve the league, but I wanna lie. And shout out to Richards Bay, but ukuthi ibambe Sundowns, and ngishilo vele on my previous video ukuthi i-team engithembe ukuthi izostop iSundowns or drop some points i-Richards Bay because they are playing away. And manje nginethemba ukuthi iChiefs uma ngasebenzisa lo muthi abasebenzise namhlanje and ngegame iSundowns ukuthi bebe rough, behlabe abadlali bonke, they might get a draw nakhona. And but I don't know how to feel right now. I don't know how to feel. I was upset. Get to Pirates, then Sundowns that drop my points. Now it's a maselbuile foot. I'm like, the league is like food. So it's like roller coaster. My emotions were felt. That's all I can say. Let me see. Yeah, please subscribe, comment, and share the video. Zombona on Wednesday against Sundowns in Polokwane City, and I'll be hoping ukuthi Polokwane City is in the favor again. We need those favors. We need those favors.